Welcome to episode 29 of Speak Japanese in 5 Minutes. So, Kei-sensei, following the recommendations I got last time, I ended up at this incredibly lively, narrow street full of open-air stalls. The smells were amazing, but it definitely wasn't a modern supermarket. What do you call these traditional markets?
Oh, you found an Ichiba, Leo. A traditional market. They are the best places to experience local life and taste street food. In Japanese, market is simply Ichiba.
Got it. I love it.
It's a beautiful, short word. Let's practice. Try saying Ichiba.
That's the one. Got it. Walking through it, I saw one massive section full of fresh seafood. Some of those fish were still moving. And right next to it, a stall selling those famous Wagyu beef skewers. How do we differentiate fish and meat?
Ah yes, markets in Japan are famous for their amazing seafood. Fish is a sakana,
Okay,
and meat is niku. If you want to specify beef like you saw, it's gyuniku, but niku is the general word for meat.
so the words for fish and meat. So if I'm looking for those delicious grilled skewers, I just need to look for the sign for the second one.
Exactly. Or just follow your nose. That usually works best. Let's practice both of these essential words. First, fish. Sakana. And now meat. Niku.
Perfect. Now, on the other side, there were stalls with beautifully stacked giant white radishes and strange-looking greens. What's the word for vegetables? And more importantly, how do I ask the vendor if they are fresh?
Of course, vegetables are called yasai. To ask if something is fresh, we use the word shinsen.
Right.
You can just point at the vegetables and ask the vendor, shinsen desu ka?
Oh, that sounds super useful. Can I use that for the fish and meat too?
Absolutely, Leo. It works for all raw food. The vendors are always happy to tell you what's best that day. Let's practice yasai and our new question. Vegetables. Yasai. And the question, is it fresh? Shinsen desu ka?
Awesome. So I find some fresh fruit, like those huge Japanese strawberries, and I just want to buy a single one to try right there. How do I ask, how much for one?
A great question. For one piece of something, we say hitotsu. And remember our shopping episode? How much is ikura? So you just point and say, hitotsu ikura desu ka? Let's practice those two parts. First, one piece. Hitotsu. And the full question. Hitotsu ikura desu ka? Alright, before we leave the Ichiba, let's do a quick-fire review of our key food words. It's important to have them ready. Ready, Leo?
Let's do it. I need this.
Okay, here we go. First up, market. Ichiba. Next, what you saw moving, fish. Sakana. For those delicious skewers, meat. Niku. And finally, those healthy greens, vegetables. Yasai. Great job listening. With those 4 words, you can find anything.
I'm heading back to the hotel with a bag full of fresh strawberries. Eating my way through an Ichiba is my new favorite thing. Thanks, Kei-sensei.
You're welcome, Leo. Enjoy them.
Join us next time for our big episode 30, where we take a spiritual turn to explore Japan's breathtaking historic sites. We'll learn the difference between Buddhist temples and Shinto shrines and how to visit them respectfully.
またね。